Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wa ala alihi Sayyidil Mursaleen, amma ba'd, fa'uzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ashabi Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallam alayhim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear viewers, I, Muhammad Mustafa, presenting you regarding the religion, we can say the sects that is about Qadianism. They also known as Ahmadi or Mirzai. Qadianism is derived from a place where the founder were born. So that was Qadian in Gurdaspur, and also known as Ahmadi because the founders of this religion name was Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, so also known as Mirzai. So let's move to the topic. Today's topic is Qadianism, and actually what Qadianism is, actually this is a group of people, and they fall actually this group of people uh, following we say like following we say create a duplicate religion of Islam, means they are copying the Islamic Islam religion and implement on them, and trouble everyone regarding this religion, regarding we say Islam. So in this religion they have total different concept about Islam. So we are moving ahead. So the location of the Qadian is, actually this Qadian is in India, state Punjab and Gurdaspur district, and Qadian is a place where Mirza Qadiani born. So here you can see on map, and in other hand you can see the origin place of Qadianism, and this is the flag, and that flag color is black and contain star and a moon. So another logo I will show you this. Yeah, this symbol means tomb, the top of the tomb also identify them that they are Qadiani, so they also use this tomb type logo. So move to the next. Yeah, here this is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani left in left. This is his pic. This is a picture, and he born in 13 February 1835 in Qadian and died in Lahore 26 May 1908. His father name was Mirza Ghulam Murtaza and mother was Chirag Bibi, and he had total 12 kids. Uh, uh, out of his from his first wife, that was Hurmat Bibi, and he had two child. One is Mirza Sultan Ahmad and Mirza Fazal Ahmad, and another one was Nusrat Jahan Begum, and he had total 10 kids. Out of 10, 5 died in we say under teenage, and out of rest of the 5, um, they live long as compared to uh, 5 child. So move to the next. move to the main topic, and the topic is claim of Mirza Qadiani. This is a very important for us to understand what actually Mirza Qadiani did in his life. So actually Mirza Qadiani start claiming from spiritual teacher to God, and during that, first of all, he claimed that he is a spiritual teacher, and in Indian language we Indian, I mean in Hindi or Urdu we say peer, or we say saint. So he start climbing from sand, and after that he sometime later he claimed that he is a debater of Islam, and after that he declared himself as Mujaddid and Imam Mahdi and Muslim Minallah, and then like and Masih, and after that Masih and Biruzi Prophet and Son of God and Prophet Muhammad. He claimed himself as a Prophet Muhammad, Astaghfirullah Mazallah. After that, he claimed that he is a Son of God, Astaghfirullah Mazallah. After that, he said, I am God, Astaghfirullah Mazallah. So these are the claims he did in his whole life. So on the basis of that, we as the basis of that, and the basic concept, basic belief of Islam. So according to that, he is out of Islam. He is not a Muslim. So that's why Qadianism. We say Qadianism, but they don't themselves call we are out of Islam. They said we are actual Islam, but in the light of Quran and Hadith, they are out of Islam. So these are the claims, and these claims all are available in his books. And the series name is Ruhani Khazain. Current Ruhani Khazain, total 23 volumes of Ruhani Khazain. In 23 volumes, all these claims are mentioned, and all these Ruhani Khazains actually is a set of his all books that he written in his life. And moving to the next topic, next, yeah, in Qadianism. Actually, in Qadianism, there are 12 sects at current time, and those sect is Mahmud. Is first one is Mahmudiya sect, and Jamaat Ahmadiyya sect, Ahmadiyya Lahori sect, Green Ahmadiyya sect, Jamaat Ahmadiyya Hakiki sect, Jamaat Ahmadiyya Al Muslimin sect, Ahmadiyya Tahir Nasim group, Ahmadiyya Sayyul Islam, Ahmadiyya Asad Shah group, Ahmadiyya Zahid Khan group, Ahmadiyya Adib Ahmad Isa group, Anwarul Islam Nature. And you can see written behind under the box is a Madhi Hud-i Nabi. Yeah, actually, they themselves also call as a prophet. So these are total sects which are presently available in Qadianism. Next, yeah, this is a current Qadiani Khalifa, and his name is Mirza Masroor Ahmad, and his current location is London, and this one is his present peak. We can say current peak, or in these days he's look like this, and this peak, and second one, this one. This peak was captured in 1999. At that time, he during bail, he was arrested in rape case, and the child was 15, the girl was 15-year old. So he was behind the bar, and when behind the bar in district district jail. Jung is a location that is in uh, Pakistan, current Pakistan. So he was released, and then he left Pakistan and went to London, and there he come in a new form, that as a form of Khalifa. So this is all about Qadianism, and more detail that what exactly in his books we will see later. Right now, this is our first part, so I just give overview that what Qadiani is and who is the founder and like this. So later on, we will discuss more about him, about Qadianism in more details. So we especially thanks Hazrat Mufti Mubashir Shah Qadri. He's a grand Mufti of a masjid, and Mufti Mubashir Sahab have on YouTube channel that is Khatmen both times. If you are Urdu or English listener, then please visit their channel and subscribe if possible for you. So actually they debates with fraud peoples and aware everyone and expose those fraud peoples and post their debate, what exactly fraud peoples do and what their belief, what their concept. These all things they post on their YouTube channel, that is Khatman both times. We pray to God Allah grant him long life, and uh, through them actually they destroy all those who do fraud in and try to modify Islam. So they protect Islam from those kind of peoples. At last, this our topic is done. So, inshallah, we will meet again if Allah permit us. So, next time we will come with a new topic. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.